So most probably you will know about DLSS 5 and it looks really horribly good. The reason why I'm telling this thing horribly good, it looks really horrible and at the same time it looks really good. Hopefully I'm not getting any kind of copyright claims or strike from playing the video like this. But yeah, if you go to the website of, not website, if you go to YouTube, if you search for DLSS 5, you will see a lot of videos. This is the demonstration you can see there in the screen. This is DLSS off and after on, it looks like this. And this is like pretty damn good. Like this is crazy. But at the same time, it looks literally horrible. And why I'm telling this thing that why it looks horrible, I don't know, man. Like it's kind of my feeling. It felt really horrible. It's not because I'm hating AI. I'm not hating any kind of AI thing. It just looks horrible. I don't know why. It just does not feel right to my brain. I don't know why. And I hope that you also think like this. I'm not sure how many people are thinking like this, but it looks really weird and bad. But at the same time, it looks really good. The reason why it felt like this, that it looks good also and it is looking horrible. The first reason is obviously AI generation thing. So just imagine for a second, if there is no existence of AI generated videos and then NVIDIA drops this DLSS 5 thing, I can guarantee that people will kind of blown up by these things. The stuff that is like looking like this kind of before and after, if you see this thing properly, it looks garbage. And after that, it looks like, wow. So just imagine if there is no AI generated videos and we didn't consume anything, like no generation videos, no AI images, anything, and we directly watch this thing. Most of the people will kind of really kind of blown up and they will be really happy. But right now, people are not liking this because we watch a lot of AI generated slops from this like 4 to 5 years that it just kind of fed into our brain that AI is kind of a slop thing. And that's the problem. That's the main issue because AI generate 99% of the things are like bad and only 1% are the good things that AI can do in terms of video generation and image generation. Now I'm just talking about that thing, and because of that it just felt really weird. But there is a big but. The thing that is very good, like really good, the environment. If you just ignore the faces, okay, just ignore all the faces, just look at the background and everything. So in this one you cannot tell that much difference in the background, but yeah, still you can see that it looks really good, like really hyper realistic thing. Before and after, hopefully you can see this thing properly. I don't know, maybe, but yeah, you can see this. It looks really good. I will show you another one, that is the Assassin's Creed shadow thing. So this is Assassin's Creed shadow, and they also use DLSS 5 in this one. Just look at this. This is like mind-blowing. This is the kind of a gameplay thing, the raw gameplay you can say. And after generation, it looks something like this. Just look at that. It looks so good. Like, just look at this. Before, and we have after this. This looks so good. Like the trees are like really good. The darkness of the trees, the raw one looks just like really bad. This is the raw one. And you can see there is no like, it looks really bad. It's all dark here. You cannot see anything. It's just weird looking thing. But after DLSS on, it just looks like so much better. I think this is the one thing that DLSS 5 nailed it like really good. The environments, especially the vegetation thing, man. This is like crazy good. Just look at this, man. This is like crazy. It is kind of turning the texture into something different thing in the rooftop ones, but except that thing, the vegetation. Just look at the vegetation, man, and the trees and the grass and all those things. It looks so good, so hyper realistic. It looks so good. Like the atmosphere, I can feel the atmosphere properly. That's the only thing I would say that is very good with DLSS 5. That is the vegetation. They just nailed the vegetation. They just nailed it. But the only problem is the face one, and I don't think so it's gonna be sorted very soon. It will take like years to get sorted. The reason I just already told you, because we watch a hell lot of videos, AI generated videos, images, weird looking faces of AI, and because of that it just kind of trapped in our mind, and it will be very hard to remove that weird feeling of AI faces thing. But yeah, maybe in 1 year, maximum 1 year, they will fix this thing completely. But the vegetation looks absolutely perfect. There is no doubt it gonna be like really good with the vegetations, the environment, overall scene thing. Just look at the texture of the that character also. It looks so good. But before it was just kind of a black thing. The red is also not good. It just looks really weird. That's the video, and I know there is a lot of hate about DLSS 5 going on right now on the internet, on YouTube. People are kind of not liking this thing. The main reason was the phase one. I would say no one is kind of talking any kind of shit about this type of environment thing. I think most of the people are liking the environment, the how they are looking and everything, but the phase one is the like a really big problem. If I just play this, you can see this looks really bad. Because of that AI generation thing. Yeah, you can see it looks good and weird also. But yeah, this is the future of DLSS 5, and they will improve this thing by a lot within few years. Hopefully, I think most probably from next year we will see hyper realistic games also. If you are using Unreal Engine 5, I think they will also launch a plugin for this where you can enhance your texture like this. So there is a thing in forgot the DeFi render. Yeah, there is a program called DeFi render, and they also use AI generated thing, not generated but enhancer kind of a. So you make everything in 3D, you render your image, and then it will enhance your image with the AI thing. It's basically the same thing. The vegetation are looking like really bad in this area, and it will enhance it to like something really pretty and something like this. It will fix all the shadows and everything and all those type of weird stuff that you cannot achieve like the traditional way, the ray tracing or anything like that. So yeah, I think it's a very good DLSS 5 thing. And yeah, let me know in the comment what you think about DLSS 5. And yeah, that's it for this video.